Imagine solving maths faster than your calculator. Sounds impossible, right? Watch this. What's 47 times 53? In just seconds, the answer is 2,491. No calculator, just brain power. Most people think math speed is a talent you're born with. But here's the truth. It's all about patterns and shortcuts. In this video, I'll show you practical tricks you can use instantly in your next school exam. No boring theory, just real techniques that work. Counting one by one is like walking when you could be running. Imagine adding 9 plus 8 by counting up from 9. That's slow. Instead, notice that 9 plus 8 is just 10 plus 7. See how much faster that feels. The trick is to look for shortcuts and group numbers in ways that make sense to you. This small change can instantly speed up your basic calculations. Ever find yourself checking your work over and over? That's a huge time sink. Instead, train your brain to trust your process. Use clear steps and stick to them. When you're confident in your method, you won't need to double-check every answer. This frees up your mind for more complex problems and keeps your momentum going. If every maths problem feels brand new, you're missing out on the power of patterns. Maths is full of repeating tricks, like how multiplying by 5 is just half of multiplying by 10. Once you start spotting these patterns, you'll solve problems faster and with less effort. Pattern recognition is the secret weapon of every maths genius. Maths anxiety is real and it slows you down. When you're nervous, your brain goes into panic mode and simple problems seem impossible. But remember, maths is just a set of rules and patterns. The more you practice, the less scary it gets. Confidence grows with every small win, so celebrate your progress. Now let's unlock the real magic, calculator brain tricks. These are the shortcuts and patterns that let you solve problems in seconds. You don't need to memorize hundreds of formulas, just a few powerful methods that work for most questions. Ready to see how it's done? Let's jump into the first trick. Multiplying big numbers doesn't have to be slow. For example, to multiply 23 by 11, just add the digits. 2 plus 3 equals 5. Place that in the middle, 253. That's your answer. For numbers close to 100, use the difference from 100 to make multiplication super quick. These patterns save you tons of time and make you look like a maths wizard. Want to square numbers in your head? Here's a trick. To square 25, think 20x 30 equals 600, then add 25. That's 625. For numbers ending in 5, multiply the first digit by the next higher digit, then add 25 at the end. These tricks make squaring numbers almost instant, and you'll impress everyone around you. Percentages don't have to be scary. To find 15% of 80, first find 10% 8, then 5% 4, and add them. 8 plus 4 equals 12. Done. Breaking percentages into easy parts makes them simple to calculate in your head. This is a lifesaver in exams and real life. Big numbers look scary, but you can break them into smaller, friendlier parts. For example, 48x 25 is the same as 50x 25 minus 2x 25. That's 1,250 minus 50, which is 1,200. By splitting numbers, you make calculations much easier and faster. Sometimes you don't need the exact answer, just a quick estimate. Rounding numbers up or down helps you get close fast. For example, 198x6 is almost 200x6, which is 1,200. Then subtract 2x6, 12, to get 1,188. Estimation is a powerful tool for checking your work and saving time. Visualizing numbers can make maths much easier. Picture numbers as blocks or lines in your mind. For example, to add 27 plus 36, imagine 27 as 30 minus 3 and 36 as 30 plus 6. Combine the 30s, then adjust for the extras. Visualization helps you see patterns and solve problems faster. The best mental maths tricks are simple. Don't overcomplicate things, look for the easiest path to the answer. If a problem seems hard, break it down, use patterns, and trust your brain. The more you practice, the more natural these shortcuts will feel. Let's try a quick challenge. What's 99x 99? Instead of multiplying, use the pattern. 100x 100 equals 10,000. Subtract 100 twice, 200, then add 1. That's 9,801. Fast, right? These tricks feel almost illegal, but they're totally legit. Now you know the tricks, but how do you get faster? The answer is daily brain training. Just like athletes train their bodies, you can train your mind. Spend 10-15 minutes a day practicing mental maths, and you'll see huge improvements in speed and confidence. Start with simple exercises. Add, subtract, multiply, and divide numbers in your head. Try to beat your own time each day. The more you practice, the faster you'll get. Make it a game, challenge yourself, and enjoy the process. Set a timer for 1 minute and see how many problems you can solve. This builds speed and helps you stay focused under pressure. Try different types of questions each day to keep your brain sharp and flexible. Repetition is the mother of skill. Repeat the same types of problems until they feel automatic. Use flashcards, apps, or even a notebook. The more you repeat, the less you have to think. The answers just come to you. Distractions slow you down. Practice focusing on one problem at a time. Set aside a quiet space, turn off your phone, and give your full attention to the task. This trains your brain to work faster and more accurately. Ready for a quick brain teaser? What's 25% of 64? Think fast. 25% is a quarter, so just divide 64 by 4. The answer is 16. See how easy that was? These quick questions keep your mind sharp and make maths feel like a game. The next trick feels almost illegal, but it's 100% allowed. You're about to learn a shortcut that even some teachers do know. Get ready to blow your own mind. Picture this. You have 19 plus 27. Instead of adding directly, make 19 into 20, add 1, and take 1 away from 27, making it 26. Now add 20 plus 26 equals 46. Visualization and adjustment make mental maths much easier and more fun. Let's speed things up. Here are 3 quick-fire questions. What's 8x 7? What's 12 squared? What's 10% of 150? Answers: 56, 144, and 15. See how fast you can go when you know the tricks. Ready for the final trick? This one will make you feel like a math superhero. Here's the trick. When multiplying, if one number is even, halve it and double the other. For example, 16x 35 becomes 8x 70, which is 560. This method works for lots of problems and makes calculations super quick. Your brain is more powerful than you think. With daily training and the right tricks, you can calculate faster than ever before. Want to get smarter every day? Hit that subscribe button for more brain-boosting videos and unlock your full potential. Join the smartest community on YouTube. See you on the next video.